Difference between male and female mandible. General size larger and thicker in male, smaller and thinner in females. Chin square male, rounded in females. Body height at symphysis is greater in males, smaller in females. Breadth of ascending ramus is greater in males, smaller in females. Posterior border of ascending ramus is show indentation at the level of occlusal surface of the molars. No such indentation in females. Angle, body and ramus less obtuse in males, more obtuse in females. Angles everted in males, less everted inverted in females. Condyles larger in males, smaller in females. Mental tubercle is large and prominent in males, insignificant in females. Thank you.